Are they funny or not funny?
If you like it, you like it. I do think there's a tendency, to make a sequel this quickly, comedically. You're just revisiting the same jokes, essentially, and you don't really have anywhere to go but farther down the same road. And so you spent your ammo on the trees a long time ago.
I thought this was such an interesting sort of like critical comment that if you graphed the plot points for Hangover 1, they do this, they do this, they do this.
Yeah.
And you did Hangover 2, they do this, they do this, they do this. That they're absolutely identical.
Which you used to do, by the way, a classic like serial that they used to put together. That was the point, was because you didn't have VHS, you didn't have cable, you never got to see that movie again. So when they made a road movie with Bob Hope and Bing Crosby, it was the exact same movie because
where's
you never
the spitting camel scene?
You'll never get to see it again.
Nobody was more surprised that this movie was a hit than the writer of the movie. And he didn't have a clue he was going to do a second one. I call this peer pressure laughter, because everybody says it's good and everybody laughs. You see it in a room, it's almost like you have to look around to see, should I laugh? It wasn't spontaneous, I don't think.
Well, and then they have to amp it up. I mean, if you have the gross out scene, you have to have the super gross out scene and the lady boy scene that makes, most guys not just go, oh, dude, I can't believe he did that, but like, that's a little too homoerotic. My boyfriend went with his dude friends, and I mean, they're dudes. They're like up there for a motorcycle rally in Northern California, and he said his advice was get drunk before you see it, because there aren't a lot of surprises or belly laughs.
Well, I mean, how much more surprises? You mentioned it being, likening it to porn. I mean, in Hall Pass, there was a scene near Owen Wilson's head where you saw a very endowed African-American and a teeny-weeny thumb dick on a redhead man.
Yeah.
And it's like, they showed it. It's like, what's gonna happen in, 5-10 years in movies? I mean, do we go inside, 3D vagina?
Well, they did that. They did that in Judd Apatow's movie when a baby was born, which is the thing that really
But that wasn't shot in 3D, Lisa.
Well, that's coming next.
No pun intended. But I think basically once you saw a monkey in the poster, all bets were off.
Right.
I mean, like what do we got? I got nothing.
Is the
monkey.
monkey from Friends available? Is the monkey from Friends?